How to install Vim.Full in Ubuntu. I've installed Ubuntu server but I have only Vim.Basic. How do I install Vim.Full? Tried with aptitude install Vim but it said it's always installed. Because Vim is a soft link to Vim.Basic.
Try the Vimnox package if you do not need a GUI, else try VimGnome or VimGTK. There are a number of Vim packages compiled with different feature sets.
This is what I usually install. In the past, there used to be a package called Vim.Full.
Run these commands in a terminal.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.